heritage policy muttai ami, and I managed to understand and have a look at the draft. Ani, what I see in the draft policy is that, which I strictly oppose. Heritage policy, tourism can be run in a heritage house. Operated by operators, contractors, power of attorney holders. What is this? Is this Goa? People from other states will come and run and promote our heritage. Verma, Sharma, Singh, sogle yeun. Ye sogle heritage promote kotle. No. Let heritage homes be run by Goans, owners. Ownarage chede, ownarage chodwa, ownarage son-in-laws, ownarage daughter-in-laws. Engcholo India. Let them be partner, but let the owners run this. Babujis can run it, no problem. But Singh is king, Nakayam king. We do not want these Sardars and anyone. We want heritage to be run by Babujis, sons, daughters, everyone, and it should be that way only. It should be typically heritage homes. Loans should be given, Speaker Sir, to them for low interest. The house to be upgraded. Not too much paperwork. Simplified process for all this. आणि कोणूय जरी तरी आपल्यागे घर लिजा दिवपा सोदना, टुरिस्टां रावपा दिवपा सोदना, नो प्रॉब्लम. तांकांय लोन दिवचे, तांकांय अपग्रेड कोण दिया तांकां. कित्याक इट वील रिफ्लेक्ट आवर हेरिटेज. तें घर जरी तर थिंग सांबाळलें हेरिटेज जाल्यार इट वील रिफ्लेक्ट.
इम्पॉर्टंट आसता ऍड करत.
दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. हेच ऍड करपा जाय, हेच सांगत तुका.
इम्पॉर्टंट आसता ऍड करत.
सो ऑल्सो स्पीकर सर, तू मत तू उलयत राव. 15 मिनटं म्हाका कायद्या प्रमाणे आहे न्हू, एज पर रूल नंबर 111.
ताणी
आय हॅव गॉट
ब्रॉडली
15 minutes.
त्यामुळे जे इम्पॉर्टंट आसा तेच तुम्ही ऍड करात.
Secondly, Speaker Sir, we are saying heritage hinterland, आणि we are cutting the forest, building concrete houses. Also, orchard land and आम्ही concrete houses बनताय, Speaker Sir. Across Goa, so many heritage houses are there. Even if we don't want to let it, the tourists to live, Speaker Sir, we should only promote this type of houses for people to view. Maybe even if they don't come inside. But yes, sogle mapping जावपाची गरज आसा, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, agencies can run. They can send tourists to stay. पूण जे चलोवपा जाय तें गोंयकारांनी चलोवपा जाय. कमिशन दिवपा जाता एजन्सीक. कमिशन आमच्यान सिंग आनी शर्मा आनी वर्मा दिवपा जाता, पूण चलोवपा शर्मा वर्मा दिवपाची आमकां गरज ना. लास्ट पॉइंट, Speaker Sir, heritage, please sit down. Speaker Sir, I think minister needs to sit down, Speaker Sir. तो परत disturb करता, Speaker Sir, and he speaks in a very rude language, Speaker Sir. परत म्हाकाय बोर्ड मारपा करता.
How can you say Verma and Sharma? Where are Verma and Sharma? You name the Verma. You name the Verma. You name the Verma and Sharma.
Because you tell him to sit down.
Verma and Sharma.
You tell him to speak
Who
down.
is this Verma?
You
Who
sit
is
down.
this Sharma?
Speaker Sir.
Who is linked with
You
this
tell him to sit down, Speaker Sir.
How Verma and Sharma is linked
like this, Speaker Sir? Sadda kota. Farsa ulel mutte takki this sada. Why is he talking like this?
How he can say
respectful manner.
Who is this Verma?
Tell him to sit down.
You name the Verma.
Tell him to sit
You
down.
name the Verma
I am
and
standing
Sharma.
on my feet.
You have to name the Verma.
Sit down, Speaker Sir.
Who is the Verma? Who is the Verma? You tell me.
Every time he does.
Who is the name and you name the Verma. You cannot take a name of Verma. अरे तुझा शर्मा कोण असतो सांग.
सद्दा
You name the Sharma and Verma.
सुरेश बोरकर.
सजमोग कितें सद्दा
You name the Verma and Sharma. कोण लागतो तुला?
Please sit down.
Verma लागतो तो कोण? Who has brought Verma?
Please.
Who has brought
I am
Sharma?
standing on my
You
feet.
name
You sit
me.
down. I am standing. You sit down.
How you can name
You
this
sit
Verma?
down. I am telling you. You please. I am talking to
Verma
the
कोण लागतो
speaker.
तुला?
Don't directly
Who
tell
are
me.
this Verma?
Sir, सांग दाका.
Speaker sir, you have to warn this. You have to warn this MLA. Who is this Verma? You can
warn
warn
this minister also, Speaker Sir.
You cannot take. You can.
Heritage policy could have Poderage Horne, Girina.
I will object to say, don't shout now. I will only say that again and again you are bringing a name of Verma and Sharma. You need to say that this is the Verma. Nitin Verma, Ketan Verma, who is that? You cannot spell out any name without having any evidence in the house. you need to learn certain rules of the house. That's why I'm saying that, okay? Let us keep cool, but I just wanted to make you aware that you are going in a wrong way, but you have shouted, and I had to shout in return of that. असून आता त्याच्या नंतर मागीर सांग तूं कित्या खातीर इफ शर्मा आनी वर्मा जर म्हाका कनेक्टेड आसा खंयच्याय पोर्टाचेर आसा जर जायत आय वेलकम युअर सजेशन्स बट डोंट जस्ट मेक अशें जे आर्ग्युमेंट घालता पळय न्ही वर्मा शर्मा प्रत्येक वेळार खंयच्याय उठटा वर्मा शर्मा म्हणल्यार खंय आमी खंयचे कडेन वर्मा शर्मा खंय एंगेज केल्ले आसा ते दाखय नाल्यार वी हॅव टू कम आउट विथ अ स्पेसिफीक नेम डोंट जनरलायज दॅट वर्माज अँड शर्माज ऑलवेज. So this is not, I mean, the procedure of house and the rules that you have to behave properly in the house.
I am not able to tell you anything. ते वर्मा शर्मा म्हूण heritage policy लागून तिंका effect जायना. The point what I was trying to make is
whatever I wanted to mention, I have just mentioned just to
make
improve
sure
upon
that
your,
it is there. That is
Viegas.
just to improve upon your debate in future. It's because of that I just wanted to point out.
Continue,
just to,
Minister.
Yeah. So, सभापती महाशय तुम्ही केन्ना केन्नाय सांगपाक जाय जे नवे आमदार येतात ते हावजान भितर कशे तरेन करतात 1 2 3 न्ही आतां 10 फावटी जाले वर्मा शर्मा प्रत्येक गोष्टीक येता ही शूड नॉट अपियर इन दीस हावज वेन ही इज नॉट कनेक्टेड. आमी जे कितें ऑडिट करपाक जाय जावं NEP अप्रेंटिसशीप तुमी आमकां सजेस्ट केल्ले वी वील ट्राय एंड गेट ऑल दी हिस्टॉरिकल बिकॉज इफ दे कॅन बी सप्लिमेंटेड विथ सम stipend kind of thing and new things, innovations or new researches can come out of that while studying all these matters, that is welcome step.